Hey, what is going on? Welcome back to the second episode of our Buying 50 Coins series. So, for those of you who are unfamiliar, I basically put $500 with my friend into 50 different projects, so $10 into each project. And I'm planning to hold, or I should say, we are planning to hold with my friend these coins for the next year and a half, 2 years until we get to the next bull market and things really start to get overbought. I'm not a financial advisor by any means. If you haven't seen the first episode, it's going to be in the top right hand corner of the video. Watch that before watching this one. And also, I have to talk about our sponsor. Guys, if you're looking for the best crypto bot trading platform, then I have to talk about Bitsgap. Bitsgap is the leading crypto bot trading platform since 2017. They have over 500,000 trusted traders, and they do have more than 3.7 bots started already, with their trading volume going above $300 billion. As you can see, they have multiple bots ready to use on their platform: the dollar cost average bot, the sideways channel bot, the classic bot, the combo bot, and the scalper bot. Simply connect your exchange and start trading with your bot. They have Binance, KuCoin, Bybit, and 15 more exchanges at the OKX exchange as well. And here you can get a nice discount if you switch to the 6-month plan. You can save 17% and you can start your 7-day free trial with the link down below in the description. Automate your crypto trading with Bitsgap. Now, jumping into KuCoin. So, I did show you guys the watch list, or I did share the watch list in the previous video. So, if you haven't checked out the watch list with all of the cryptos that I was purchasing, then that is going to be linked down below as well. So basically, as you can see, we have filled almost all of our buy orders, and I'm pretty much in a very good profit right now. So basically, the only couple of coins that are at a loss right now is Algorand. We have Matrix AI, Lithium, and Covalent. Covalent's down quite heavily. So, and KCS, the KuCoin token, I did put something like $7.50 or $7.8 into this, because at the end of my purchasing spree, I didn't have, the last $10 because of all the fees that I paid for the previous 49 coins. And so I basically put in what I had left into the KCS KuCoin token. And we ended up right now with a nice profit of, I think, about 60 cents, maybe 70 cents. But you can check out all the buy-in prices with my portfolio. Unfortunately, I don't know how to share a portfolio or how to make it public. I would love to do so, but this is my portfolio for CoinMarketCap, where I have the 50 coins that I planned to buy, and 48 of them actually filled, but I did not get my Solana or my S Fund. And S Fund, as you can see, is at the top of the list, and it went up by $1. And I was planning to buy it at $1.40. That was my buy order, but as you can see, that is not something that I have in my portfolio on KuCoin. And the other thing that I didn't buy into or couldn't buy into is Solana over here, as you can see at the bottom of the list. So I'm planning to buy it on at $32.10, as you can see on the right side, the buy-in price. But as you can see, I did not buy in because the price just didn't go down that low, and I'm not going to be buying it any higher than that. So if you want me to switch over these two cryptos for different ones, and plus Solana is actually down right now, so I do think it is going to fill relatively soon. I would imagine that would affect the price because a lot of people are reporting that their wallets like Phantom are getting drained, and I do think that is happening to mainly wallets who have been inactive for the past 6 months. So go take a look at your wallets, and it's always better to store your crypto on a hardware wallet. So as you can see, these are all the buy prices on the right side. If you want to look through them, just pause the video. but I just bought all of these at the same time: Avalanche, StormX, Decentraland, Mana, Chainlink. So I got a nice collection here. Like I said, the watch list is going to be down below in the description. So let me know, what do you want me to get instead of S Fund or Solana, in case that I don't buy them or the order doesn't fill. Because as you can see, if you take a look at the bottom here, we do have Solana and S Fund, and those haven't been filled, as you can see. So these are the only two that haven't filled. And if I go back to the wallet here on KuCoin, because pretty much all of this is done on KuCoin, I did this because KuCoin has a lot of low cap gems that I would really like to invest in. And I'm planning to 10x this portfolio at the very least, because with the low cap gems that we have, I would say it is possible to do that with a couple of coins here. And we can get back our investment with just a couple of coins, even by investing $10 into each of these projects. But like I said, most of them are in profit. So if we go to the top of the list, you can see that USDT has done a 60.8% move to the upside, which is very nice. And if you put in, let's say, $1,000 into all of these projects, you would have earned $680 off of this pump. And Filecoin, the same thing. So Filecoin actually went up by 80%. Now it has retraced down. And from the $10 I invested, I have $16 at the moment. Veracity did pretty well. We have 40% growth. Mirror Protocol did quite well, 30.7% growth. Uniswap did quite well, 30% growth. Acala, I should say, VeChain, Crypto.com, Near Protocol, Cadena did have a nice pump. So all of these projects are having nice pumps. And at some point, I do think it is possible that most of the projects will go below the price that I bought them at. And I'm totally fine with that, because you can never catch the bottom. And I honestly do think there will be another bottom for Bitcoin, and another local bottom, I should say. Now, I'm not sure if that's going to go below $17,500 or above it or below it, but I can't be sure. That's why I bought into these coins, and so far it has, given me nice profit. So from the $480 that I have already bought into the coins, I have made $56 of profit. So that is not bad in my opinion. And yeah, so let's see if we can get to $5,000 in the next couple of years with this portfolio. I'm definitely going to be doing updates, but I'm not going to be doing them on a daily or weekly basis. I think that's, that doesn't need to happen. We can simply have an update once every 3 weeks, every 4 weeks, depending on what the market is doing. And if I'm going to be taking some profits, I'm definitely going to be recording videos and showing you which coins I'm selling and what am I going to be doing with the money that I get from those coins. So yeah, check out the watch list down below in the description. Let me know what you think of this. Thank you all for watching, and let me know what are the other 2 coins that you want me to get instead of Solana and S Fund, because some people were asking about Polygon Matic, but that has gone up quite a bit, so that's why I didn't invest into it. So if it dips below, and I can just switch S Fund for Polygon, that's just what I think. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Feel free to check out BitsGap down below in the description as well. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, and feel free to join me on Patreon. I do upload low cap gem calls in there, your technical analysis and video requests. We have a bunch of stuff, and my trade alerts as well. So yeah, I'll catch you in the next one.